Kia ora, you're with Learning Media, and this is Derek, the team leader of our technical services team. Hi Derek, what are you going to talk to us about today?
Today we're going to briefly talk about the benefits of responsive web design.
Great, okay, what are the reasons why people would want to consider responsive web design?
The benefits and beauties of responsive web design is it allows us to make the best use of an individual's existing site and content, and allows that content to be supported on the widest range of devices. It saves money by reusing the same code and servers, and most importantly it future-proofs your site for the current explosion of smartphones and tablets. In 2011 there was 13% of adults had a smartphone, and now it's over 50%.
Wow, okay. Could you give us a demonstration of what this looks like?
So I thought we should have a quick look on an iPad. Here we can see what looks like the traditional website, because there's quite a lot of screen real estate for an iPad. We can navigate, we can scroll up and down. When we flick it around into portrait, you'll see that the layout does some magic and displays the content in an appropriate way for the amount of real estate. If a user wants to discover something particular about that's on the site, they quickly expand and it takes them to the content that they need.
Great.
And if we have a look on these phones, here I've got an iPhone and you've got a larger Android. We can see that we're getting the same view that we had on the iPad in portrait, and at the same we can expand out the content that's salient to that particular use, and we scroll around, we spin it around to landscape, we get the same code and the same kind of behaviours.
That's great.
I thought it would be interesting to quickly show you how this kind of works on a desktop. Here we've got the traditional site with all of the boxes. If I start resizing the screen, you can see how quite quickly it goes to what we saw on the smartphone, and then I make it a little bit bigger, and we're back to see what it was on the iPad.
That's great. Thanks, Derek. You've been watching Learning Media, talking to you about responsive web design.
Cheers.